peeps, good morning. How are you doing today? Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lee Mayama. Subscribe, like, leave a comment and share. For those who are always supporting me, asanteni, asanteni sana sana sana. Mungu awabariki sana. May God bless you. May God increase you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from me and my family. I know that you're going to have we're going to have our answers to our prayers as soon as possible before the year ends, because our God always tells us to ask and to knock and to seek, and all will be delivered on time, on his own right time. So in today's video, guys, I want to show you how to prepare some eggs here. I'll put, I don't know, let me put it here first. We have how to eat this, like how to eat fried egg in a healthy manner. I already fried my egg. It's here. Yes, it's here. I fried my egg. I have my 2 fresh tomatoes. I've washed it. We have our black pepper. This one is optional. And then I have my salt. By the way, I always put here my salt. I don't know why. I just love putting there my salt. We have our knife as usual. Then we have our chopping board. So I want just to show you, like, because there are so many people who are always saying that they cannot eat eggs. Like, you just eat fried egg only, frequently, every time. Like, only fried egg. You don't know the secret. So the secret of, again, eating the fried egg, I know you all know how to prepare fried egg. It's not hard, but how to use it in a healthy manner. Apart from preparing huge salad with you, this is the simplest way. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. So I'm wearing my full dress. So our egg is here. So just, our chopping board is here as usual. The fried egg, you just prepare it in a very simple way. No need of ingredients, only oil and salt. We'll cut our tomatoes into very small pieces. This Kenyan bangle, my sister gave it to me. My sister Mela. I'm still waiting for my Christmas gift. This one is not my Christmas gift. We put 2. You can even put 1. It's up to you. Because most of us, we have these things at home. Tomatoes, you'll see we want to overcook them before we use. No. Have you, like, if you want to eat chapati, bread, kubus, that is Arabic bread called kubus. They always call it kubus. You'll have to eat it with this. You'll have to put tomatoes. Like, it tastes awesome when it's with fresh tomatoes on top. This is a very simple recipe. Yes. Recipe, yeah. After cutting it, you can still mix it from the chopping board. Just a pinch of black pepper. It's very optional, this one. A pinch of it, because black pepper, it always makes the food smell just sweet, nice, according to me. Then you put some little salt because our egg has salt already. Let me just mix it. Just mix it. Mix them. It's fully mixed, so we will put on top. We just spread it on top of the egg. Just spread it on top of it. This is the simplest way of eating eggs in a healthy manner. So let's return our camera there. I did not comp my leaf. So there we go. Where is it not clear? Oh my gosh, yes. There we go. And you can just be taking, you take your chapati or bread, a small piece, you just eat slowly. Take your time to eat it. It's also yummy. So tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the healthiest way of eating fried eggs. You can eat your egg without this, but this one is my favorite. Like for me, I don't eat eggs without tomatoes on top of it. This is our second recipe over eggs. I'll keep on bringing more and more because I did not show you how to make fried egg because that is obvious. All of you know, even my daughter know that. So I said I'll just show you the last part and hope you've enjoyed it. Please keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting, and keep sharing my videos. I know you're going far. I know that through you we will make it as we wait for our Thanksgiving programs. And remember, I told you that I'll not do more because I have one abled differently man whom I'm dealing with his situation. I'm trying to fix him. I'm trying to make sure that he's settled. He has somewhere to sleep. He has somewhere to call home. So like my all attention is on him. Yeah, I want to do something that is memorable. And then you all know that we've supported some of the kids. Also, they're in school through under the courtesy of Limayama and the Queen's Foundation. And I know you're going far. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Happy weekend for those who are in Arab. I know your weekend starts today evening to Saturday evening. I love you all and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.